For the scapular rotation technique we're demonstrating here, the patient should be in the prone position with the affected arm hanging downward off the side of the bed. Reducing an anterior shoulder dislocation can be quite painful. The patient may require sedation. The outer round contour of the shoulder is flattened and the shoulder appears squared off. An assistant provides gentle downward traction on the affected arm as the reduction is performed. Placing the fingers on the lateral inferior edge of the scapula, we exert pressure medially, rotating upward. The pressure should be of gradual intensity as the surrounding muscles relax. Check the pulse and ensure there is normal axillary nerve sensation. We'll also note the shoulder has its normal rounded appearance. And the reduced shoulder is protected with the immobilization sling.